If you're spending a fortune on name brand toothbrush head refills, you really need to check these out. This is an 8-pack of toothbrush head refills that fit the entire line of Philips Sonicare, and you don't want to miss these because they might be even better than the originals. Let me show you. These are standard click-on heads, and they fit almost all the Sonicare handles, including the 2 Series, the Protective Clean, and the Diamond Clean. They snap on securely, just like the original Sonicare. So here you can see I have a Philips Sonicare head on this one. I'm going to pull this one off, and I'm going to slide on one of the replacement heads, and it has the same gap so that Sonicare works just perfect. And you can hear it works just fine right here on the toothbrush handle with the replacement head. And you can see the head is actually maybe even better than the original with the contours and the curves that are included within the bristles. And both the black and white heads fit just the same, so there's no difference between the 2 different colors here. Each pack comes with a total of 8 heads, and there's 4 white and 4 black, so you can choose your style or keep them different for your family. And each one has the protective cover, which is great for travel or just keep the dust off in the bathroom. I highly recommend this 8-pack because this is way better than paying that premium price. It's a total no-brainer.